Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make a new vlog. As you say just now, I make a parrot video part 1. Now we are gonna make a video about part 2. So this is a brand new vlog. And as you can see, all these pigeons behind me, as you can see, they are eating breads as Anik give them breads. Look at these pigeons. She's it. As you can see, all these pigeons, they are eating some bread that Honey gave them just now. It's getting sunnier, so the sun is coming from that side of the north. So let's take a look at the sun. Oh my god, it's bright. All these pigeons, they are responding actually. So just now I said that another vlog in part 1. This is my friend. He have some budgies, Ria and Rio, and become Riang Rio or whatever. Look at these two beautiful birds. What are those? Hello. As you can see, Anik. As you can see, Anik is landing the bird of the budgie. So this is the first bird that we are landing. Hello. Are you feeling fine? So this is the next lovebird that we are going to land.
Apa kokotel lah?
Patil. In 3, 2, 1.
Are you sure?
The landing is quite. Look at that. So hello guys, today Anik whistle is gonna VS my whistle. So where's your whistle, Anik?
Dia nak VS aku usually aku punya vlog sini.
2, 1.
Macam mana kau buat dia kat dia punya wings kalau tak boleh pegang tu?
As you can know that I am moving using a hoverboard. Is this a hoverboard? Hell no, this is not a hoverboard. Look at the sun, bruh. So I am moving. I am using shit. I was. So that is Jaka's scooter that I just landed just now. Hello, Jaka. Ayo, bocang ah. Let's take a look at the bird. I'm just going forward focus on it. Okay. Oh, bodoh, bird dia jatuh sah. Okay, Anik, you're gonna land. The nail's pretty hard. Jakas, can you land on it? Hello guys, we found a Nokia box right here.
Atuk mana? Ni atas tu yang nenek uli tu.
Oh my god, I bought a new Nokia.
Api.
Hello guys, today and now we are preparing for the scooter slide. Anik is gonna slide all the way down there using the scooter.
I think this is.
Can you be?
I
Yeah.
think this is. You got bird already what? You also have what? But then I need.
Oh no!
Oh, fight! Harap lah. No, your budgie fight with
I
her.
did.
No, you. Secret gate. I'm saying the YouTube channel lah. I thought it said secret.
You ready, Anik? Sit down.
Oh, I cannot.
Anik, you got safety? You dare?
Yes.
You dare to do ah?
Oh, jatuh.
Duduk kat break ah.
Kau nak break, kau break.
Lepaskan tu. Dah.
Okay, I don't know about this. Wait, aku.
Okay, try, Anik. Try.
YouTube channel you put subtitle. Do not try this at home.
No.
Then people will.
Pijit, terang bawah. Ya, tali bodoh.
Oh, very good.
Ini tak ada betul. Nanti dia boleh naik atas. Oh.
Falling down.
What you want?
Go wait for me, baby. Okay.
You like that easy lah.
Stay. Go ahead. Go, Anik. Are you okay? Oh, look at that.
Got that on tape. Oh, kali.
Oh.
No, when at the slide is okay. After that, right, when the one tire right, here right already will fall.
Okay, goodbye guys. Thank you. This is the end of the vlog for today. So subscribe, likes and comment. So thank you for watching my video. Goodbye. I'm gonna make the next vlog tomorrow in the afternoon. Alright.